Okay, so what I want to do is very simply show you how you make comments on my YouTube videos. So first thing is you just click on the YouTube logo in the top of my Whitaker.com page, and that will take you directly to my YouTube channel. I should have some TikTok music here in the background. Alright, so here my channel comes up. And there's a typical menu selection of home videos playlist. Just click on videos. And they'll start to populate here. And the easiest thing to do is go sort by newest. And you'll see some of the ones that I've added recently, like the grizzly bear stories. If you haven't made a comment on that, you just simply click on that. Watch the video and then make a comment. And when you add your comment in, make sure you say the section and the class. Okay, and that's it. Make sure you use your real first name on the class list and your initial for your last name, and which section you're in, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. And YouTube will send me an email, so you don't even have to tell me about the comment. YouTube will send me an email. I check 2 or 3 times a day in my comment section by clicking those that are not replied to, because I reply to every single person who makes a comment. I either click on thumbs up saying I liked it, or I give you a 3 or 4 words reply as well. Okay, so that's how you know which comments to make on for the YouTube videos. Now, some of the YouTube videos in the course are not necessarily new, so all you simply do is just click on the online course outline, and you go down to where we're discussing things here. And so here we have a section. Today is October 6th. We're going to have a class on Tuesday. You see here October 7th, October 8th. These little red letters here tell you when we're going to do particular things. It says here student video. It says watch on your own. So watch it, make a comment on it. It says here make comments on the video before class, meaning I want to have a discussion about this, and it'd be better if you guys saw it in advance before class so we could have a useful conversation. Here's another one that says very funny, make some comments on the video. So I actually tell you where the videos are. You can click in here where it says ethics and bribery, and you'll find that within this section, scrolling down, there's a video here, there's a video here, there's one here talking about corporate social responsibility and what the word stakeholders means, and so on and so on and so on, continuing through. Okay, so that's what you do. Hope that's helpful.